Hi, this is Brett from Softduit Media, and this video is to show you how to accept your installation to WPEngine for your new website. So you will have received a link, and I'm just typing it into the address bar here, but you'll click on that link, and this will take you to the page where you'll be able to start accepting your website. And this page outlines a couple of different things. It mentions a discount, which currently is 20% off. So if you sign up through us, you get 20% off. And you'll see how that works out in just a second. When you're ready, click the I'm ready to sign up, and this will start you on the process. For the majority of our clients, we recommend the personal plan. This is the least expensive plan, and we will be recommending that you prepay for the plan, which we'll explain more in a second. We're not recommending most other things at this time unless you get some specific instructions for us for specific reasons that we've mentioned as we've analyzed your business and your website. At the end, you're going to click on the Host My Site at the bottom left. This is the one, again, for the personal plan. We do not need the more expensive professional plans at this point in time. We'll click that and it'll take us to our next page. Most of this is going to be self-explanatory. We're just pointing this out to eliminate some confusion. Now, when you arrive here, you may see the annual plan selected, or you may see the monthly plan selected. And this is the only place really where confusion enters in. The discount code is automatically applied, and we're going to recommend the annual plan. Now, if you choose monthly, you'll get 20% off, but you only get 20% off for that very first month. After that, everything will be at the full regular price of $29 a month. If you do the annual plan, you get 20% off that first payment of $290, which saves you about $58. So we definitely recommend that. That's going to provide you the most savings. And when it renews, it will renew then at $290 per year, which also is discounted from the monthly plan. That gives you 2 months free. $29 a month times 12 would be in the $300 range. So from there are a couple options. We aren't going to recommend checking the boxes for either of these unless we specifically give you other guidance. So you don't need to add on a $150 fee for an extra website or for the CDN. Those are expenses we don't need. You'll put in an email that you have access and control over, and you can create an account name that might be something very similar to your business. It can be anything you like it to be. Then put in your first name and last name, and then your billing information. There is a box to check the terms and service, and then create your site, and that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and I will be happy to walk you through it over the phone if that helps make this easier.